And welcome back, people, to yet another exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. Today, I'm going to show you a little trick you can do with deviled eggs. If you think they get a little bit boring, I'm going to try something here. I've done it twice, and it worked twice. So we're going to try something. Oh, I'm going to show you. He's got cute puppies make you famous. There's the cute puppy right there. Make me famous. That's my cute puppy, the dingo. Think of him. Good eye, dingo. Good eye. We call him the dingo because he's a Australian blue heeler. He's half blue Merle Collie and half actual Australian dingo. This one is anyway. So we call him Dingo. He likes it. So here's what I'm going to show you with your eggs today. This looks pretty good. I've boiled these eggs, and you know how to boil eggs. You start your water in a pan, and you put it on the stove cold. Put just a touch of vinegar in that water. Put your eggs in. Then turn on the stove. Once the water starts to boil, you set your timer for 7 to 8 minutes. I did mine for 8 just to be sure. And then you shut it off, let them sit for a couple of minutes in there in the hot water, and dump them in ice water and let them cool off for a couple of minutes there, and then you can crack them and they should peel fairly easy for you. So now we're at this phase. You take your little egg. I'm going to do one at a time here. Move you out of the way. And you take the little pointy top of it, this point right here, the pointy top, and you're going to cut into the egg in little, like, up and down motions, like this. For the top of the egg, you're going to up and down, like this, and you're just making like little triangles. I know it's kind of hard for you to see, but you're basically just making little triangles, just like this, until you get around the egg, like that. Now you want to very carefully pop that top off. See how it's kind of jaggedy looking? Can you see that? Yes. Now, this is the fun part. We're going to get our yolk to come out without busting up our good work. So ease the yolk out into the bowl. Bloop, just like that. Now you have it. You have your little egg. Right? Then, we're going to do the same thing with this little egg. Right around the top. Let's see if I can get a different angle here and take my glasses off. I can't see this close. You go around the top of him. Little triangles like this. See how I went up and down. Up and down. You can feel when you get through the outer part of the egg. You know what I mean? You can feel it. And up and down. Up. It doesn't have to be beautiful or perfect. Where is the other side of my egg? And down and up. There we go. Boy! Oh, look at here. We have a cooperator here, folks. Come on out, you little fart. Get out of there. Nice and easy. Just pick it. It'll come loose. Here we go. See? Now you've got your little eggshell thingy. Now, the dingo's going to freak out and lose his mind because he's only been out 37 times today. It's a nice day out. The sunny's out and stuff. So now we got our egg yolks in here. We put a little bit of mustard in here with them. We're gonna put a little bit of mustard water in, and put a little bit of mustard in, like so. We're gonna take just a little bit of mayonnaise, just like this here. You can still see, yes. A little bit of mayonnaise, just like about maybe that much, about half and half, mayonnaise to mustard. And you can make a whole bunch of these if you want. I'm just doing 2. Put a little bit of pepper, and you want a little bit of paprika. Just a touch of paprika, like that. And then we're going to take our spoon, and we're going to smash them all together. Dingo's out there killing somebody. Get them, Dingo. They're coming up towards our yard. Get them. There we go. Smush them up like this. Get them all stirred up here. Nice. Fluffy like. Just like this. See? Give it a little taste. Make sure it's any good. Yep, that's a deviled egg. Alright. Now, the fun part. We'll take our bottoms, the bigger parts of the egg right here. Get us a little shape on them here. And we'll pop them in. You want them peeking up a little bit. Up out of here. Oh, I'm up above you again. I'm going to peek them up a little bit. Pick this guy up a little bit. Kind of looking like that. Then you'll take his top half. I'm going to set him on here. Kind of like this. See? Now I got a little stand thing over here that I made because I don't have a stand. I'm going to set him over here. Right? You don't get to see him yet. No, because I said no. Then I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to do the same thing with him. And pop him in here. Like this. Get what I can here. And pop him up on here. I'm getting a little bit slippery, but this is fine. This will work just fine. Get him all up here like this. Kind of popped up. I'm going to take his little shell, top part, and set him up here like that. See? Just like this. He's going to go over here on his little stand thingy. Like this. They get a little slippery. Don't worry too much about it. Okay, now I can get this out of the way. Get where I can feel my fingers. And put my glasses back on so I can see. Like this. Okay. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this here coriander seeds. Need 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, whatever. Like this. And you're going to go put a coriander seed right here. I know you can't see. You shouldn't be able to anyway. And I'm going to put a coriander seed right here. I'm going to put a coriander seed right here. I'm going to put one right. I can't get a hold of him. Put one right here. Like this. Just like so. Then, I'm going to see if I can't find, no. Something like bay leaves? Maybe I can find something with some bay leaves. Yeah, here we go. Try to find something a little bigger. Little bay leaf action thing. See if I can stick it on here. Like this. Okay. Little bay leafy thing. Okay, that's gone. That went away. I thought I had him. Try again. Weak. Little bay leaf thing. Right there. We'll put one. If I can get him to stick. Like this. There we go. And we get one like this. Stick him on here. Right there. There we go. And here's what we end up with. If you can come down here and zoom in a little bit. Look at that. You got deviled egg baby chicks hatching and stuff. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute little baby chick hatching deviled eggs? I made the stand out of bread. I don't have a deviled egg holder. But there you go. Little cute little baby hatching deviled egg chicks. Kind of fun. I'd seen it somewhere on YouTube somewhere. I can't remember where. But the first one was pretty cool. But yeah, there you have it, folks. It's a quick episode, but it's an episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Yes, hit the like button, subscribe, share, ring the little bell if you want comments for when I'm posting and getting weird again. Hope you enjoyed this episode. And for BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll see you guys back here for the next exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. Make these things, they're kind of cool. They're cute and they're gross at the same time. Goodbye.